In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite GIFs on Discord Mobile. Favoriting GIFs is a quick way to keep your go-to reactions close at hand, whether you're on iOS or Android. Once a GIF is in your favorites, you can pull it up in seconds without searching again. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start by opening your Discord app. From the home screen, head into any conversation where you can send messages. This can be a direct message with a friend or a channel in a server. Make sure you're in a place where sending a message is allowed. Next, open the message box. Choose the GIF you want to favorite and send it to the chat. You can pick one using the GIF button next to the message field or select it from your keyboard's GIF panel if you prefer. Sending it ensures the GIF appears in the conversation, which makes the next step easy. After the GIF is visible in the chat, tap directly on the GIF itself. This will open a larger view of the GIF on your screen. In this viewer, look to the upper right corner. You should see a star icon there. Tap the star to add the GIF to your favorites. You'll typically see a quick confirmation letting you know it's been saved. That's the core process. Open Discord, send the GIF, tap the GIF and hit the star in the top right. Once favorited, your GIF is linked to your account, so it should appear in your favorites on the same device and usually across devices when you're signed in with the same account. When you want to use it later, open the GIF picker from the message box and look for the favorites section, often represented by a star tab. Your newly starred GIF will be there ready to send without searching. This is especially helpful for reactions you use often, like celebrations, laughs, or quick acknowledgements. If you don't see the star icon, make sure you tap the GIF to open it in the full viewer. If it still doesn't appear, check that your app is updated to the latest version. Also remember that this works on GIFs in messages. Stickers or emojis won't show the same star option. A quick recap. Open Discord, go into a chat, choose and send the GIF you want, tap the GIF in the message to open it, then tap the star at the top right to favorite it. That's all you need to keep your favorite reactions just a tap away.